Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add menu tabs on WordPress without plugin. So let's begin. Now as you can see, I'm currently in my WordPress dashboard, and from my dashboard, I'm going to hover over appearance and go to menus. Now in order to get the menus option, you don't actually need any plugin at all. You just need a suitable theme. Now my suitable theme is Ocean WP theme. So as you can see, this is the theme name, Ocean WP. So you can just download this theme and you will have the menu option in appearance. So you just need the suitable theme, but you don't need any plugin at all. So I'm now gonna click on menus, and here I am in the menus section. So as you can see, this is a menu which is named test. Now it doesn't matter what name the menu is because only you will be able to see the menu name. So if I want to view my current menu, I'm gonna have to visit site. So let's open it in new tab. Now here's my website. Now I'll scroll down to footer, and as you can see, the menu is now here in my footer, and I have two contents on my menu. So now I'm going to go to the editor again, and now I'm going to create another menu just to show you how to create a menu. So here is the create a new menu button. You can click here to start the creation process. Now I'm going to give the menu name, only you'll be able to see. Now as you can see, this footer is currently in use. So since I already have footer, I'm not going to select footer menu. I'm going to deselect footer and select main. And this menu will only be shown in main. So after selecting a menu name, selecting the menu location, I'm going to click on create menu. Now my menu has been created, but it does not have any content at the moment. So I'm going to select these 3 pages, which are most recent, and then I'm going to click add to menu. So these 3 pages are added to the menu, and now you can organize these pages by dragging them like this. So organize your pages as you want. You can also make one page subcategory to another page like this, and if you want to make multiple subcategories, you can do this. But I'm not going to make subcategories. I'm just going to keep them as it is, and then I'm going to click save menu. So now my menu has been saved with 3 pages. Now if I go to my website again and then refresh, I'll be able to see those menus. So as you can see on the main page, I have these 3 pages set. So I want to drag this contact us to the test page. So let's do some dragging and drag the contact us all the way down. And now I'm going to click on save menu again. So I have clicked save menu again, and now if I reload the page, then you'll be able to see that the contact us page has went back. So guys, that is how you can create menu tab for your WordPress website without any plugin, but you will need a working theme for it. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.